Hey guys, Julia. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a day in my life, so I'm just going to be taking you around with me today, showing you guys what I'm doing, and I'm probably going to be doing a lot of packing since I'm moving in less than 2 weeks. And just make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe down below, and follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, my other social medias, which will be right here. Let's just get right into the video. Now I'm actually heading out because I have to drop off a car seat that I've had in my car from when I was babysitting earlier in the year, and since the pandemic haven't been back to give that car seat back, so I'm just dropping that off now, just at the house that I babysit at, which is like 10 minutes away from me. So I'm just gonna be doing that now.
Yeah.
Okay, so I actually, on my way home, I made a little pit stop at CVS because I remember that I wanted to get a travel size body wash. At my school, we have to have, like when I go to college, we have to have a like to-go bag kind of thing. If like I test positive or from like COVID, or I'm around someone that does, I'll have to quarantine or isolate, and then I'll have to take a bag and just go to this other housing. They're there for like around 2 weeks. If that happens, yeah, I have to have a bag ready to go. And I realized I have a travel like shampoo and conditioner that I could put in there that I could just bring, but I didn't have a travel body wash, so I just got this just plain Dove body wash. Yeah, that was it, but I just wanted to let you guys know. And now I'm on my way home. Okay, so sorry for the terrible lighting and the messiness of my room because I'm packing, but I just wanted to show you guys my outfit of the day. So I'm wearing this little, you guys can see, it's like a little lock necklace. Then I have these like Eiffel Tower earrings, a TCNJ shirt that my boyfriend got me, that's where he's going to school. Then these shorts from American Eagle, and a Michael Kors belt with these little white sandals that you guys saw before. So I just made some mac and cheese for lunch. Not really healthy, but that's what I'm having today. So now I just wanted to sit down and go through some of the bags I have and decide what I want to bring with me and what I want to keep at home. And I apologize for the mess around me. My room is not looking the best because I'm just going through everything, so I have stuff like all over the place. So just ignore. This is like the newest bag I got. I got this from TJ Maxx over the summer for $4 on clearance. This was actually in my summer 2020 fashion trends video, so if you guys haven't seen that, I'll put it in the card up here, and you guys should totally watch that if you want to see some cool outfits. Also just kind of clearing out stuff that I have in bags because I have like random like receipts or things in some bags, and I just want to get that all like out before I move. But definitely I'm bringing this one. I use this a lot. I got this for Christmas last year, I believe, and it's just a little mini black backpack. I believe it's from Winter, but that could be totally wrong. But yeah, I love this one. I'm gonna bring the Steve Madden bag too, just because I can hold it with little handles like this, or there's the big strap bag, and I just think this is a cute, like, just going out bag, and I've loved using this. I haven't used it honestly in a while, but this is a bag I used to use like every single day, but now I kind of use like backpacks more, just like, I guess when I'm going out shopping, it gives me like hands-free option since it's on my back. But this is a really cute one. Definitely taking this. This is from Forever 21. I got this a while ago. I love this bag because it's another one that you can just hold like this and take off the big strap, or you have the big strap, and this is just a cute one. I love this like little box bag. I have this fanny pack that Lasell actually sent me, I think for going to their orientation or for their accepted students day, something like that. But I'm definitely bringing this because it's for my school. This is my Go Core's wristlet, and I love this. It's because it just rolls gold, and this I use like all the time. So definitely bringing that. I love that I can also change the straps on this one, and it can be just like a cute, like, little mini like shoulder bag, because that's just like a huge thing right now. And I know this is super mini, but I like have the option to do that with this too. So it's currently 3:36 right now, and I'm gonna do this for like maybe like 10 more minutes, try to finish up figuring out the bags, and then I'm actually doing something with my brother at 4, so I'm gonna be taking a little break. I'm also gonna bring this one. This is just a army green wristlet that I got from Charming Charlie's a year or two ago, and I like this one a lot. I think it's good to have like little wristlets all the time because those are just so easy to just throw like a little bit of like a few little things in. And I think I'm going to bring this one too. I don't know where this is from, but it's just a nice silver one, like if I'm going out, like it just looks a little fancier, I guess. I'm definitely bringing this bag. It's just a cute little tote that I got from Cotton On. That's kind of like a white cheetah type print. I'm definitely bringing my black Michael Kors tote because I love this. I'm probably going to use this to take stuff to class if I don't use my backpack, because this can fit my laptop and everything. So this was a definite must that I knew I was going to take. This I'm just taking too because it's just a good Nike drawstring bag, and a drawstring bag is definitely something I would say is good to have. And this is like, I have other ones, but this is my only like really good sturdy one, so I'm gonna just bring this one. Hey guys, so I am back from doing stuff with my brother, and it's currently 9 o'clock at night, and I think I'm just gonna end the video here because really I'm not gonna do too much else today. Just kind of chill for a little bit and then go to sleep, so nothing really that exciting. I did do a little bit more packing, but I think I'm going to save that to show you guys in a whole separate video of just how I packed like all my different things. So if you guys want to see that, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you guys subscribe down below so you can watch other videos of mine and get notified when I post new videos. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.